how to log in into Epic Games account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into Epic Games account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser and in the search bar, type in Epic Games. Now, head over towards the first link, that is store.epicgames.com. You will land on its official web page. Now to log in, head over to top right and click on sign in button. Now you will land on sign in page. Here, first of all, you have to enter the email address associated with your account. Under that, type in your correct password and make sure you type in the correct password associated with your account again. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link that says forget password. Click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Or if you have created your account using some other platforms, here you can choose that as well in order to log in. Here, once you're done entering login credential, click on sign in button. If you have enabled the two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification code in your Gmail account or your email account. Here you have to type in the code in order to verify. Once you have entered the code, click on continue. Click on confirm. And with that, now you're logged into your Epic Games account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.